And here's how to fix personal hotspot keeps disconnecting automatically problem on iPhone. The first solution is turn off low power mode. Go to your iPhone settings app and here you have to tap on battery. And here you will find this low power mode. So make sure to disable low power mode and then go ahead and check the issue. The second solution is we have to turn off automatic screen lock. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down. Tap on display and brightness. Here scroll down and tap on auto lock. And here select never. And now go ahead and try to reconnect your personal hotspot and use your hotspot, and once your hotspot work finish, then here you have to again enable screen lock. So now go ahead and check the issue. Next solution is we have to turn off Wi-Fi assist. So go back to your iPhone settings app and tap on cellular. Scroll down. And here you will find this Wi-Fi assist. So all you have to need, make sure to disable Wi-Fi assist and then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is we have to reset our network settings. To reset network settings, go to your iPhone settings and tap on general. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Here, tap on Reset Network Settings. Once done, go ahead and check the issue. And the last and final solution is we have to update our iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Here, if you see any new update available, just update your iPhone iOS version, and after updating your iPhone, hope the personal hotspot error will be automatically solved. Thanks for watching.